All right, we got this really nice needlepoint canvas. I'm going to open it up just to show you the full vibe. So this is two pack. Also, you can get these in an 8-pack. I just want to show you the size of this one right here. The different sizes that it comes in, though, are you got 8 by 8 inches, 18 by 14, 20 by 18, and 26 by 20. So this is 13-point mesh, great for your various art projects, for your needlework and whatnot. Also used by many people for in aquariums, an aquarium divider or something like that. But just great high quality, it's flying off the shelves right now on Amazon, selling, I believe it's over 100 units every single month with the various sizes and whatnot. But great product, comes very highly recommended from me. Highly recommend.